Guys, it's a bit of a different one today. I'm with my buddy Carl. When I'm with my buddy Carl, you know we're after hogs, baby. We got them at the... Oh, there went my light. Okay, catch up later. Yes, sir, baby. We got 2 down. Oh, yeah. That's what we're talking about. Okay. Hey. You putting blood on me. Do you like the Indians? That's what we do. We get a little blood on our face, we'll be all right. We warriors with these pigs. That's what we are. Truck I know of. You know what I'm saying? My truck's a wreck. My other friend's truck's a wreck. No, Branson's truck's a wreck. Actually, his isn't too bad. But I guess I'm just referencing my own truck. You know what I'm saying? My truck's always a mess. But I actually work with mine, you know? Like go out across the cow pasture and haul feed and this sucker, it's been going a bit. Don't you shove that down my throat. Hey, you drink V8s like nobody's business. Are they good? Yeah. I ain't trying one. You'll get me addicted to it like hog hunting. Okay guys, we're gonna wrap this one up. We loaded the hogs on the truck here. Correction, Carl loaded the hogs on the truck. This is the same food plot where I killed a hog and a buck with a bow earlier in the year. If you haven't watched that video already, go check it out. Put the link right here in the corner. And anyway, this was a good one. We had like 15 hogs on the plot. They came in the last 2 nights. They were there early tonight. We had to make a stalk. The wind was bad, had to adjust stalks, snuck up, shot through some weeds, as you can tell in the thermal footage. And we got 2 of them. They had about a 20-foot dash into the woods, so it was like bam, bam, that quick. Anyway, appreciate you guys following along. We will catch you guys in the next one. We're always hunting. We're always into new adventures. Doing some wild stuff. Okay, I tap out. Bye-bye, piggy. I was just telling my pigs goodbye. Nice, I had a little moment with them before we just run off.
Give them a drink?
No, I'm saving the body armor for me. Guys, I know this episode is supposed to be over. I'm back. It's been like a week. The hogs are back, showing up. They're in front of the camera right now. I am gunning it to get there. We'll keep the camera pointed this direction to avoid any casual mishaps towards the direction of the speedometer. and we're gonna get there as soon as possible. Here we go. I got one. I think I hit another one. Let me see what we got here, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got him. He's done. That's a big pig, man. He's kicking. He's kicking right there now. That's what we're talking about. I'm pretty sure I hit another one. I'd have to watch the video, but I didn't feel very confident. I was shaking so bad, dude. I knew my first shot was going to be the money, so we put her on the money. But I'm going to get my truck and load this thing up, get it out of here. They'll be back. Give them a couple weeks. We're shaking this spot up pretty good, but I just watch my cameras. When they show up, go for them again. That was fun. Guys, I cannot believe what just happened. 2 hogs out in the field. I wasn't even to my corn pile yet. I was trying to get to the corn pile where I was getting pictures of the pig, and I spotted these 2 hogs and made a stalk and got like 30 yards from these pigs. I saw 2, I shot 2. They're both down. That is awesome. The first pig I shot, he dropped. Quickly whipped to the second one. He was just lumping along. He wasn't going to make it out the field. He had a long ways to go. Hammered him a couple times till he was done. And then I looked back, and the first one I shot was gone. I was like, where's the thing? It's going to run me over. So I was like looking around. Took a couple steps out away from the brush, and I saw he had run while I wasn't watching just inside the brush and died. He was still kicking, so I thugged another round into him. So he's done over there. And there's one done right here. Check this out. speckled pig. That is wild. I wear a 14 boot. I mean, it's probably, I'd say 130 pounds, maybe 150 at best. Beautiful speckled pig. That was awesome. Let's go see if we can get this one in the brush. Get this one in the brush. I see him right here. That's it. That's it right there. That one's even bigger than the other one. Well, we got 2 pigs down. There is no doubt about that. I mean, you can see the evidence. They're dead. Look at this weed that's just up in my face. Anyway, landowner's gonna be super happy. He wants me to shoot it to all the pigs I can because he's had so much trouble with them rooting stuff up. Guys, you gotta treat landowners right. You don't just get a place like this on permission and treat people like they're your worst enemy, obviously. Anyway, I do not take this piece for granted. And I know there's been other people that's offered the landowner money, and he lets me have it because he's my friend and I'm his friend, I guess. Anyway, super grateful. I mean, I'm over every time I see pigs on my camera, I'm like hole and bum to get over here and shoot pigs. Sometimes it's late. Sometimes I don't feel like it. But guys, there's a wildness in me that's like nobody can tame, man. Nobody can tame. When there's hogs to be shot and there's deer that need chased and hunted, I'm just so glad God gave us animals to hunt and cherish. And we can meet God in the stillness where we hunt. And like the longer I do this, the more I just praise his name for everything that he's created and done. And the people in my life, the generous people that are older, wiser. I'm so blessed. I don't know, sometimes it's hard to know what to say. But life is good. And God put us here to live a good life and to lead others to him and to be a light, a city on a hill. You are the salt of the world. That's my passion, guys. That's my passion. To lead people to Christ, to challenge people. To challenge people to live and to love God. I think I'm going to wrap this one up, guys. Sorry about my big old heart spew. Just sometimes it gets so bottled up. It's got to come out sometimes. And we will catch you guys in another episode. Thank you, guys.